Good afternoon and a very warm welcome yet again to Phil Weaver Automotive, based here in Merebrow between Preston and sunny Southport. And today, well, certainly hope you're enjoying your Easter weekend, Easter Saturday, and for those that are off, enjoying the rest of today and Sunday and Monday. This afternoon I'm delighted to be showing you around this beautiful Mini Cooper convertible. We've purchased the vehicle from one of my good friends and fellow motor traders, and David assured me that this car would fit the bill for us here at Phil Weaver Automotive, and absolutely fantastic. This car meets our needs and requirements in every way, shape and form. Just an outstanding car. It's a 2017, it's on the 67 plate, Mini Cooper convertible, finished in pepper white with the black roof and the black bonnet stripes. The car's covered just shy of 25,500 miles by the two owners. We have the full service history, so the car has 2 BMW services. The car is now due, in about 3,800 miles, is due the oil and filter service, which we will carry out here, not here at Phil Weaver Automotive, but at our local independent garage, who look after us for all our servicing, repairs, MOTs and the all-important pre-delivery inspection. It's a handwritten inspection that we provide our customers with a copy, and we keep a copy here on file. So it's with very, very high standards. We like to ensure that all our vehicles are prepared to the high standard. We're very process driven and ensure that each vehicle goes through our process. And it's only because it was the Easter weekend was looming, we wanted to get this car on show over the weekend. The photographs are already on Auto Trader and our website, so we will be Tuesday onwards next week carrying out the pre-delivery inspection and the service. I'm going to just take you through some of the features on the vehicle, but I would like you to make a note of our website, www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk. You'll see up to 100 photos. You'll see the advert with the specification details and servicing details. But I'm just going to list some of the features that this car has, and we are starting with the chili pack, the mini excitement pack, mini convertible pack, auto dimming rear view mirror, multifunction steering wheel, heated front seats, comfort access system, climate control, xenon headlights with the LED daytime running lights, black bonnet stripes and the wind deflector, which is in the boot on this car. So we have the all-important locking wheel nut key, which I'll show you in a second. That's in the boot. We have the 2 remote keys as well. We have the book pack. So everything that this car had when it was brand new, we have now to pass on to the next customer. We've got the pepper white mirror caps. This is the easy access button, so as long as you have your key on you, the car is currently running, very, very quietly I add, but you don't have to use the key to gain entry. You can use the comfort access system that is an option on this car. So Alpha Victor 67 Whiskey Yankee Lima, your registration number. Please use that for reference if you are looking to obtain an insurance quotation with Go Compare or Compare the Meerkat. Alpha Victor 67 Whiskey Yankee Lima. go. So just going to show you a few of the features. On the photographs it shows that clearly with the easy load, so that gives you more access to the rear of the boot, rather than having to, you know, work around and under when loading the boot. You have the 50-50 split for the rear seating. We have the the wind deflector here in the bag. We have the warning triangle. I'm just going to lift these out a second, place them on the back here under the carpet. We have the all-important locking wheel nut key. There we go. We have the fluid for the tyre, and we have the tyre mobility kit as well. All there, all present and correct. Put the mat back. Warning triangle. The wind deflector. We have these little stowage nets as well. So lock these back into place. There we go. Bear with me a second. What's not happening here? Something that I've not just... Oh, there we go. Put that back in. There we go, that's one side. Sorry about that. There's the other. And then we can place that like so. You have the reverse camera there as well, the chrome tailpipe. You see the sensors in the rear bumper. So we have the rear parking sensors and the reverse camera. Again with these lovely multi-spoke gloss black alloys. There's no dings or bangs or dents or scratches. Just beautifully presented, which allows us, there is a little, oh no, it's not, it's a bit of muck, a little stone chip there which we will touch in. We have the pepper white touch up, so we will sort that. Just any little marks such as that, it's all commensurate with the vehicle's age and mileage. But as I say, the vehicle is beautiful. If you're looking to obtain a finance quotation, you can do this online utilising our finance calculator. The products that we offer are through Motonovo Finance. We are part of the IMDA, the Independent Motor Dealers Association, and we do use Warranty Wise for our extended quotations, extended warranty, where you can extend the vehicle up to a maximum of 3 years. We cover all our cars with a consumer guarantee, which is 3 months or 3,000 miles, whichever's the sooner, covering all the main assemblies and importantly covering all the main parts in each assembly. But we can provide you with a competitive quotation for the extended warranty and a competitive finance quote as well by using the finance calculator on the website. Put the extension to the front of the seat there. 2 keys. Currently we have just over a week now to go before COVID restrictions, before the restrictions are lifted, where on the 12th of April we have non-essential retail will be opening back up to the public. This means that motor dealers can open their doors to their customers. Customers can then go onto the forecourt or into the showrooms to look at a vehicle of choice. We work on an appointment basis. An appointment has to be made to view one of our vehicles. When you come to visit us, you'll have the freedom of the showroom to look around. We have all the relevant PPE, ensuring you're safe and we're safe. We offer test drive. You can sit in the car, touch the car, smell the car, the old way of buying a motor car. But up until then, up until the 12th of April, the services that we provide are click and collect and free UK delivery. So this allows the customer to reserve the car online with a £99 reservation fee. The reservation fee does not form part of the deal. It is purely a reservation fee, and that will be refunded back to the customer. Once we have the reservation fee on the car, we will contact you. We will then send you all the relevant paperwork, which includes the sales order, terms and conditions, distance selling regulations, and our bank details. And we ask for a £250 deposit. And then, as I say, you can then either organise click and collect, or we can deliver your vehicle to home or work free of charge. To support our customers with this, we ask our customers to check out our reviews. We have 325 5-star reviews on Auto Trader, Google My Business, Facebook. 325 5-star reviews. We are very passionate about the service that we provide our customers. We're very passionate about our business and passionate about the motor industry. So please, just to build some trust and confidence, check out the reviews. Just helps you to make an informed decision about purchasing your car whilst the restrictions are still in place. So we have like the mini iDrive here. So for audio, you've got the menu and telephone. So it's Bluetooth for the telephone. My phone is hooked up to the Bluetooth in this car, but I've got my phone on airplane mode. So if my phone does ring, it doesn't cut off, which I've learnt so many times over the years. Just straighten the steering wheel. There we go. 25,460 miles on the vehicle. 42 miles worth of fuel will ensure there's plenty of fuel in this car. Certainly if we're delivering or if you're collecting, we don't expect your first visit to be the fuel station. So indicators and parking light on the left hand stalk, auto wipers on the right hand stalk. We have cruise control and speed limiter, multifunction steering wheel, electrically operated door mirrors and windows, got the auto lock. So the big screen, we'll bring the menu up there as well. So multimedia, so say you can Bluetooth your phone up. You've also got aux and USB connection there. Dual climate control, so we can alter the temperature for the driver or the passenger. A nice feature when you are altering, you get the lights that change right the way around the large screen. So auto climate, heated seats. We have, that's max air to the screen, heated screen, recirculation of air and air conditioning. So we'll just turn the seats off. Nice and warm out there today. Well, 13 degrees as showing on the car. Auto stop start, traction control and stop start. So now as the engine is running, press that in to stop, to start, foot on the clutch. There we go. We have the sports button as well, which alters the setting. So you can have sport mode, just to show you there. You can show it on the screen, and you can also see here. So maximum go-kart feel in this little pocket rocket. We have typical mini driving, fun, that's mid mode, and then we have low consumption driving in green mode. Notice how the rings around the dash change colour. We have the lighting here. Now this is the ambient lighting in the car. If you look at the lighting here as well as in the door, you'll see these change colour, which is a nice feature. You've got the green there, and the again lighting. So roof, you've even got the SOS button to mini BMW. So the roof, I'm just going to show you the operation and then show you the car. So that goes across like so. So you could just have it like that, sort of like a sunshine roof effect, or you can have the down again, the roof there. Hopefully you can see that okay. And then windows will come back up. So that's to complete the cycle. So I'm just going to jump outside the car just to show you now with the roof down. It sits nicely on the top of the boot. So we have all this space now in the rear. It really does sort of change the overall style of the car. Just to show you side on. Absolutely fabulous. What a great looking car. The weather's improving, so come and get in touch. Grab yourself a beautiful, beautiful car with all the specification details. Come and use Click and Collect. Use our free UK mainland delivery service, or potentially chance waiting until the 12th of April, where you can make the appointment to come and view the car. It's been a pleasure showing you around the vehicle. Just to add, with COVID-19, we do sanitize and deodorize all our vehicles prior to collection or delivery. Well, again, we have all the PPE. If you do come down, you are a safe environment here. We are a COVID secure business. It's been a pleasure. We are active on social media, so check us out. Check out our Facebook page, check us out on Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. We are available 7 days a week. You can get me on the landline 01772 396 528. Try me on the mobile 07817 469 888. 07817 463 888, sorry, 463 888. Drop us an email, phil@philweaverautomotive.co.uk. We are here, Brow, in between Preston and sunny Southport. It's been fantastic showing you around this car. Please enjoy your bank holiday weekend. If there's any further information you need to know, just give us a call, drop us that email, text or WhatsApp from the website. Thanks very much indeed. Speak to you soon.